Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me on my channel this evening. I will be doing something for my Flower Pop series. I'm sure you just saw Louise McKay Art. Angela Bliss Art will follow me, and after Angela will be Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. Thank you again for being here. Please hit that like, sub, and I'm hoping that you can leave us some comments. We really appreciate all of you that continue to follow us each and every week. We're going to start with our colors. I'm using golden, cobalt, turquoise. And a lot of these colors I already had mixed up in prior. So they're going to be 2.5 to 3 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. The next color we're putting down is Syrian Blue by Creative Inspirations. This is a real pretty blue. I found that Creative Inspirations do very well when you mix them with other highly pigmented paints, like a golden paint. They're just a little bit thinner, but they, as far as their opaque paints, I do like them. But some that are semi or transparent, they really do need to be added with another high pigmented paint. This is Praj Posse Galaxy Blue Shimmer, real beautiful color. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to put down, after the Galaxy Blue Shimmer, we're going to add Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. This is probably on my top 10 colors, believe it or not, for Flower Pops. This color dries a real beautiful navy blue. It's great to swipe. It does take over. It really does. This one is, I have the bottle marked Amsterdam and Liquitex, and it says King's Blue. So I don't know what that means. I know that there is a King's Blue, so I'm assuming it's 2 blues mixed together. Again, I just felt like doing the blues tonight and not singing the blues. I'm just going to paint the blues. The next one is going to be Amsterdam Greenish Blue. I love this. Is also in my top 10. I do have probably 10 favorite colors, and that Amsterdam Greenish Blue is definitely one of them. After the Amsterdam, we are going to add, this is Folk Art Color Shift Pastel Blue. These are beautiful too. I love these. I won't say it's in my top favorite because I haven't really used them alone to see the color shift. I do like the effect that they have. It's just I need to use them a little bit more. And I think the color shift in that might have a slight purple. Then we're going to go with Deco Art Sapphire. And that is, I love the Deco Art paints. They're also amazing. And then I'm just going to go back with the same colors, just squirt a little bit here and there. I do think I have an awful lot of paint. And what I noticed at the end is I just didn't have enough lighter colors, not enough contrast. So I will probably do a number 2 video to this. After looking at it, my husband and I agree we need to have some thicker white stems, as well as I'm thinking about experimenting with some of my piggies and putting them on the petals to accent it. And then I will show you, I won't give all the secrets away, but there will be a number 2 video to this one. Okay, so we are just going to go through and cover up some of those spots. And I'm going to go ahead and get ready to swipe. I've decided to swipe with white tonight. I'm going to use the white that I decided to use is Atelier titanium white. So I think you'll see some cells when I go to blow the petals. Atelier has a slight lacing or cell performance when I use it in certain applications. So I do like it a lot. I did try it on a bloom, and I wasn't as crazy about it as I am using it here for the flower pot. So I realize that it's pretty dark, and I add some of that Folk Art Color Shift Pastel Blue on top, and just pouring this Atelier white on the top, and we're going to give it a swipe here in a minute. I'll see you there. Okay, we did some torching. We're going to use a blue shop towel. I find when I use the blue shop towel, it'll actually pull more of the swipe line. It's a heavier paper towel, and I'm really wanting to keep some of that white on the canvas, but I end up tilting it off, which was a mistake, but that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and fill in that bare area at the top. And we are going to go ahead and tilt this off at the top. And when I did, I think some of the white paint actually just kind of disappeared into the canvas. But look at what the Atelier does here. It gives me some beautiful cells at the top. And I don't know, maybe I should have used that as the bottom and added more white. You know, coulda, shoulda, woulda. I'm always critiquing different things with these flower pops. This one turns out fairly well. It's just a little bit dark, but the background is stunning. I really thought about not doing anything with this and using it for ocean embellishment later on, but this is a flower pop video. So I'm going to get to the flowers here shortly. I will see you there. I don't like that part at the top, that runoff, so I end up pouring some white paint over it and tilting it off. I thought I videoed it, but apparently not. So I just poured a little bit of white paint, tilted it off, and then it turns out like this, which is a better background for the flower pops. So let's get started on the flowers. Okay, before I do the flowers, I thought I'd bring you down and just show you this very cool background. It's like I don't want to do anything to it. But, gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm using white, of course, because we do need to lighten this up. I'm using just a regular straw here. No rhyme or reason. I just decide to use the straw. I probably will pull Puffy out before the end, but at this point I'm just creating a vine, different style, trying not to be so symmetrical. I have a tendency to make everything even and correctly spaced, and I kind of drive myself nuts with that. So I'm just going around and creating different flowers, and you'll see there is a lot of lacing from this Atelier. So I definitely will experiment using this white as part of my swipe again, because it's not enough lacing that's going to make it too busy, just enough to give it a little bit of contrast. I'm going to use this one as my focal point. So I'm going to come down right here. Okay, that's good. It's okay. I just dabbed my finger in that a little bit. No worries. And cover that right up. Okay. There we go. All right. So that white didn't hold, you can see. So this is not a good white for the stem. Good to know. I'm gonna get something else. I'm gonna try, I got some other white here. This is just a basic Artist Loft white. Let's see if that holds. And it may not hold at all, maybe the paints. Okay. Better. Better, but not great. Better, but not great. So we're just still going to use it. There we go. Yeah. And I'm going to play around here.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you.
Let's go down for a close-up. Show you each of these flowers. They're so beautiful. The lacing that just happened. Look at that. And they reacted with the paints very well. You can see I'll come up all the way. I do love this here. Right in there. And this flower here is glowing. Beautiful. Amazing. Oh my gosh. I'm so in love with this. Okay, everybody, let me know what you think in the comments below about this beautiful flower pot. I will look forward to seeing you on the next video. I will show you the dried results. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed Water's Edge. Thank you for being with us this evening. Take care. Till next time, let's head over to Angela Bliss Art.